Hello, my name is Amanda Melcher, and I am an assistant librarian at Jernigan Library. Today, I'll briefly show you how to search for an article in the database Wildlife and Ecology Studies Worldwide. It is an EBSCO database, so it looks and works very similarly to many of the library's other databases. To access it, start by going to the library's homepage, lib.tamuk.edu. From our homepage, look to the upper left of your screen and click on the link that says Online Resources. All of our online databases are organized in two ways, alphabetically with letter tabs at the top and by subject on the right. Wildlife and Ecology Studies begins with the letter W, so I'll go ahead and click the letter WXYZ tab. Once I find my database, I'll go ahead and click on its name. The database features several boxes to type in your search terms or concepts. So if you're looking for works about wildlife conservation in Africa, you simply put each term or each concept in its own box. Now that I've typed in both my terms, I'll go ahead and click the search button. The database will then show you a list of all of its contents that contain the two terms you searched for. To view more information about the article, click on its title. Detailed information about the article, authors, an abstract, and other publication information is listed here. To access the article, click on Full Text Finder. Then, select the first link on the results page to be taken to the article. This has been a brief tutorial in using Wildlife and Ecology Studies Worldwide. If you need further assistance, please browse related videos or contact the library's reference desk at 361-593-3319. Thank you.